मैंने checked in बहुत ज़्यादा सुबह भागा दौड़ी हो रही है and finally I've reached. I am in the lounge right now and I decided to treat myself and upgraded myself and I'm really excited. Set up, getting some work done before I board my flight because I have to edit this vlog. Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
Lovely, welcome.
Thank you. And I'm here for New York Fashion Week with London School of Trends. Today is 7th September and we are here for another 4 days. If you want to know what actually goes behind a fashion week, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you guys all the BTS, all the fashion week madness, how we get ready and how we create looks and what's a fashion show like. This is the video for you. Keep on watching and yeah, now I have to go and get ready because the photographer is coming down. We are actually shooting one look and then we are going to have some lunch and then we are going to see the fashion show. I landed very late yesterday. I'm with Saloni, Ashna and Ria. So I went to have breakfast with Saloni in the morning. You must have seen the clips by now. So yeah, I've given you all the information now. Let's go and get ready. I'll see you guys on the other side. Guys, I'm all set. This is what I'm wearing. This is not for fashion show, but I'm just wearing this because we have a photographer downstairs and I'm going to shoot. Let's go. I'm already late. Wow, situation right now. Guys, I'm with Anna. Anna, say hi. Oh wow, yeah, she's posing, killing it. And we are going to Times Square right now. We're going to shoot some pictures. Let's go. Can't walk. Guys, so this is my first outfit and we got done. It's a mess, it's so crowded, but we got some good shots. Thanks to Anna who is doing it for me. Let's go back and change. Hello. He's so cute, you guys. I'm eating my veggie wrap before changing. Guys, quick change and now we're leaving. We will get some pictures done downstairs and then we'll head to the show. Let's go. Guys, got some pictures done. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है सुबह से बस मैं यही बोलने जा रही हूँ. Got some pictures done and now our cab is here. So cab is waiting for us. Let's go. Hi Priyanka.
Hi. Hello, hello.
Okay, outfit. Chalo, start.
Hi.
Oh, listen, you haven't said hi. Hi, this is Ashna. This is Ria. Chalo, start.
Start what?
Start describing your outfit.
I'm wearing this printed jacket by Narendra Kumar.
Yeah.
It's super cool.
I like the back. I like the back.
Oh, yeah. Nice cutout.
Yes.
The pants are also Narendra Kumar.
And the crop top is from Zara.
Yes.
I have it too. Yeah. Ria, come. Start.
I'm wearing Baby Stash and boots by I don't know. Okay.
The top.
This is Baby Stash.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Guys, guess where we eating? Indian. We're so basic. Ayyo. Okay, so it's our second day here and Saloni actually went out yesterday without me.
बहुत enjoy किया, Times Square में घूमी.
But but we came back after the show. No, we actually had dinner and then we came back to the hotel. And I worked on the new video, which is up. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. Q&A video with Tanya and Shivesh. And now we are going to have some breakfast. I'm so hungry.
Some coffee first.
I think coffee मिलेगी यहाँ पर McDonald's में vegetarian में कुछ नहीं मिलता है.
Exactly. So
But look at the video. Guys, we are at Chipotle and I've ordered a burrito bowl and I'm so excited to eat it. Oh no, I've ordered what? A burrito bowl? Salad. No, I ordered a burrito bowl. I remember, yeah. And we're going to shop after this. So excited. What are you doing, Saloni?
I'm so excited.
Hello, mommy to me.
Hi.
This is Priyanka from London School of Trends.
Hi, so nice to meet you all.
Yay! And now we're going to eat. So hungry right now. See you in a while. Guys, we are in Forever 21. You probably can't hear me, but I got this black pant. I'll show it to you once I'm in the hotel room. And we guys are shopping. Finally, exploring New York after this. So excited. Let's see. It's 7:45 right now and I'm so hungry, but I just came to Macy's. It's a huge store and I'm at Uggs right now and I so wanna get these, but I don't know if I should. Wait, I'll show it to you guys. I like these because of the strap, but I actually tried these on and they looked super cute. But guys, ये ना street market में भी बहुत सारे मिलते हैं, so I don't know, but I think I'll get these. I'm not sure. Hopefully I'll get these. Guys, I finally got these and I'm wearing it right now because my feet hurts. Yay! Looks cute though. I think मैं बहुत पहनने वाली हूँ ये. Hopefully Kritika, please make the most of it. Future Kritika. So it's a new day and this is what I am wearing. We are actually getting really late, so let's go. Morning!
Look at Riya.
Riya! Riya is going like this, guys.
I'm not even
Stunner!
Thank you very much.
We are late. Sunny sir is here. For those of you who don't know, he's the one who owns London School of Trends. Busy. Ashna is jumping. She's liking her outfit way too much right now. I love her outfit. Ashna, please tell the details where this outfit is.
It's by Aisha Sethi Tirani.
Saloni, where's your outfit from?
Kritika.
Yeah. Oh, I'm blending in with the cam. Just need some coffee and I'm good to go. You can see by my face, I'm so dead. Guys, we are at Spring Studios and the show is about to start and we are already late, so let's go. Okay, thank you. Hi. We took some really cool pictures here. Yeah, Ashna had coffee, she's happy. Guys, quick change. We came back to the room and I'm wearing this outfit by Urvashi Kaur and we are going for another show. This is what I'm wearing. Really liking my outfit, representing India. Just got done with the show and now we're clicking some pictures. We have a photographer here and we don't have a plan after that, so let's see. The show was so amazing and it had such great pieces. Obviously you must have seen the clips by now, but a big thumbs up to this designer. Loved the show. And now I'm hungry because we had lunch around 1:30, so I'm really hungry right now. Third look for the day. Let's do this. अब तो थक गई हूँ मैं सच्ची में, मेरे में zero energy. Hi guys, so it's our day 4th here and yeah, I haven't had coffee and I'm so sleepy right now. अभी थोड़ा vlog के लिए मैंने energy निकाली है अपने अंदर से, but I wanna have breakfast. But उससे पहले हम जा रहे हैं क्रूज़ पे and 1-1.5 घंटे का क्रूज़ होगा. हम ऑलरेडी लेट है, बस होपफुली कीपिंग आवर फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड हम बैठ जाए क्रूज़ पे. एंड आई थिंक उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर सोहो, which is a really nice place and you can find really nice pieces there, vintage pieces there. So I'm really excited to go and shop there. And what's the plan after that? Then we are going for a show and वहीं से directly we have a limousine ride and a party. And yeah, that's the plan for the day. आज बहुत hectic होने वाला है, but I'm so excited and really looking forward. थोड़ा coffee पीने के बाद मेरी energy बढ़ जाएगी. तो I'll vlog more after that. And yeah, ये वैसे भी vlog खत्म होने वाला है. I think I'll finish it off today or tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'm leaving for London and I'll finally meet Diksha. I'm so excited. I miss her so much. And yeah, get ready for lots of fun, lots of masti with her. Thank you for all the lovely comments and the DMs on my Instagram. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in a while. तब तक आप आपको न्यूयॉर्क का टूर देते हैं. So get ready. Bye guys. Guys, we just got off the boat and यहाँ पर 2-3 stops होते हैं. You can just get down and see the place and click pictures. So I am standing, like I can see World Trade Center from here, 9/11. I'm going to show you guys. Wait, guys, I don't know if you can see, but this is World Trade Center. Wow, too zoomed in. And here we have Statue of Liberty. Designer boutiques and fancy stores and nice restaurants, and I'm just going to shop. It's the perfect shopping destination if you are in New York. So let's see what I get today. I'm so excited to shop, but I need my coffee first. We just had Chipotle. It's my second time having Chipotle. I love. I always have the burrito bowl. So they have all the designer boutiques and nice restaurants and good places to eat here. So if you are in New York, don't miss Soho. They have like vintage stores as well here, which are really nice. So let's see what I get. Guys, got some stuff from Forever again. I saw Urban Outfitters also. I think we're going to the Apple store now. Ow. Got some mangoes. I'm so hungry. क्या लग रहा है? हेयर बैंड लगा हुआ है. बैंड को लगा लिया आंखों में. ये $5 मांग रहे थे. $8. और तू क्या ले रही है? इससे जिंदगी आपकी लाल हो जाएगी. सब लाल है. सब कुछ लाल है. और मैं ये ले रही हूँ और ये ले रही हूँ. लूट रहे हैं. हाँ, हम लुटवा रहे हैं. I'm at the Apple store now. I have to get AirPods for Disha and I wanted an iPad for myself if you've seen the previous vlog. And then I have to get a strap for my Apple Watch. Let's see. Also, it's too crowded and it's so Guys, we came back and we changed. मुझे लग रहा है पूरे vlog में मैंने सिर्फ यही बोला है. But so tired. So tired, but we have our last show today. It's the closing show, which is going to be amazing. And then we are going for the limousine ride and I am excited, but I'm tired as well. So yeah, हम सुबह से उठे हुए हैं, 8 बजे से उठे हुए हैं and अभी 8 बज रहे हैं और हम 9-10 घंटे से बाहर थे. Let's see कितनी पार्टी हो पाती है. I am very doubtful हो पाएगी बिल्कुल भी. This is my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I just got this dress from Forever 21. So usually fashion show के कपड़े थोड़े अजीब से होते हैं, but हमें वहाँ से लिमोजिन राइड डायरेक्टली जाना है, इसलिए मैंने थोड़े से डिसेंट कपड़े पहने हुए हैं जो मैं लिमो राइड के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. But yeah, this is my makeup. Just went for thick liner and dark lips and gold jewelry. Guys, I am packing right now and I literally have so much stuff. Plus I shopped. I'll show you what I got from Forever 21 real quick, but I got this metal strap from Apple store yesterday when I was in Soho, and I'm really loving it. I think if you have a metal strap, you can wear it outside as well, and usually when I wear fancy clothes, I change it because I have a sporty strap. But now that I have a metal strap, I'm sorted. I am obsessed with Apple Watch. We'll do a quick haul. Let's go. Sheer blouse slash dress, and these are really in these days. So I got this, then I got this cropped shirt. Next up, I got one more cropped sweatshirt. This is what it looks like, and then it has Coca-Cola written on the sleeves. A very basic black crop top. So I got this high-waisted leggings slash pants, and this is what it looks like. I'm really excited. I got this very cute pearl headband, which I've seen a lot of people wearing headbands like these here. So I got this from Forever 21, and then we have a blush pink mesh top, these black high-waisted cargo pants. Last but not the least, I got some socks, and yeah, I think we're good. And then I got this New York keychain. Probably can't see, but it says New York. That's it. That's the mini haul. Hope you guys like it. Now I have to quickly pack this. So let's go. Guys, finally my packing is done. Oh my god, guys, I struggled so much, but finally it's done. And I'm really sad to leave New York. New York has been on my bucket list since forever, and I wish I could spend more time, but I'm definitely coming back to New York, and we have a flight. So yeah, this is where I end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried my best, guys. I know it's all messed up, but yeah, मैं जितना vlog कर सकी I did, and I hope you guys like it. If you did, please like and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.